Hi guys! Today I'm making my daughter's favorite chicken curry. I love making it because it's my easiest recipe and any one of you can make it with very little effort. It's a really good authentic chicken curry. The recipe link is right below the video in the description section. Heat up a pot and add oil. I know many of you ask about this pot. I don't think All Clad makes it anymore, but I will put a link below for similar pots. It is my favorite pot and is 3 quarts. To the hot oil, I'm adding yellow onion minced, ginger minced, and a little salt. Sauté this until soft. Then add minced garlic, stir and cook until golden brown. Now add ground turmeric, ground cumin, red hot chili powder, garam masala, ground coriander, and salt. Stir and cook for about 15 seconds. I make my curries medium to mild, so if you like more spice, feel free to add more hot chili powder. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. It cooks quickly, so the total time for this curry is about 30 minutes. Stir and cook for 5 minutes uncovered. Now cover the pot and cook for 10 minutes. Do stir it in between. After 10 minutes, I'm adding boiled water. You can add water earlier if the pot needs it. The chicken will release its own juices, so you don't need to add much water. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes until the chicken is tender. Stir in crushed tomatoes. Cover and cook for 5 minutes or until the oil separates from the sauce, like this. Taste and adjust the salt if you need to. The sauce will get thicker as it sits and is perfect to scoop up with hot naan or any Indian bread. Rice, of course, goes well with any curry. Chop up some cilantro for a nice garnish. For a side, make one of my easy vegetable recipes. I hope you tried this easy curry for dinner and let me know how your family liked it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.